Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to replace a light switch in just about a minute. It's easier than you think. First things first, safety is key. Go to your circuit breaker and turn off the power to the room you're working in. Now, grab a voltage tester and double check that the switch has no power. Once you're sure it's off, unscrew the faceplate. Next, unscrew the switch itself from the wall box and gently pull it out. Before you disconnect anything, snap a quick photo of the wiring with your phone. This will be your guide. Now carefully disconnect the wires from the old switch. Time for the new switch. Connect the wires exactly like they were in your photo. Push the new switch back into the box, screw it in, and then attach the new faceplate. Last step, head back to your breaker, turn the power on, and test it out. Thanks that, you've done it. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick DIY tips. See you in the next one.